Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Chelsea Phillips. I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2015 Chevrolet Tahoe LT. It comes equipped with power heated side mirrors, roof rails, running boards, and much more. The 2015 Chevrolet Tahoe deserves consideration if you're shopping for a large truck-based SUV with 3 rows of seating and impressive towing capacity. This Tahoe has 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a full-size spare tire and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Tahoe is in great condition. It has very clear halogen headlamps along with the daytime running lights, rain-sensing wipers, and a really nice chrome accented grille with the iconic Chevrolet emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a very powerful 8-cylinder 5.3-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Tahoe has rear-wheel drive and is equipped with a 26-gallon fuel tank. Let's not forget that this Tahoe only has 67,856 miles on it. At the back of the Tahoe, you will see the tow package, large brake lights, and sleek chrome badging. Using your key fob, you can open the power liftgate for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. The cargo area also features a cargo net, a power outlet, and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. This Tahoe even has a very comfortable third-row seating option for carpooling with family and friends. Passengers in the second row will be excited to find a drop-down DVD player with headphones and a remote control, as well as their own climate controls. They can use the fold-down armrest with cup holders and the power outlet, as well as the back seat storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is very well appointed with silver and chrome interior accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable and heated leather seating with memory. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Tahoe is also equipped with a garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, OnStar, and a locking glove box. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlights, the driver's seat memory, the programmable power door locks with lockout protection, and the power windows with express down. This Tahoe has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your entertainment and navigation features and is paired with 9 Bose speakers and a subwoofer. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with the CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. You also have the tri-zone climate control, and everything that you see is easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.